What's going on? I'm 3PS Gamer, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair A500 high performance dual fan CPU air cooler. Today I'm just going to be unboxing the A500, and later on I'm going to be posting another video installing it in my PC. I'm going to be installing this on a 3800X Ryzen 7 Zen 3 with an RX 5700 XT build. So check out my PC build vid if you'd like. I'm going to put a link up at the top. So the A500 includes dual ML120 fans with PWM control. The A500 also includes a slide and lock fan mount system for variable mounting height, which should come in handy for those who have high profile RAM. The dimensions on this air cooler are 144 by 169 by 171 millimeters. So this air cooler is pretty big. Alright, so let's take this beast out of its package. I'm gonna cut this open real quick, and that way we can open up this box and see what's inside. Alright, so it looks like we got a little box up here at the top of the box where the A500 comes in, and it's probably got accessories and stuff, all the mounting hardware and everything, all the adapters, the spacers and all that, and the standoffs. So I'm going to put that aside for now, and we're going to check out the A500 first. Okay, so right away I can tell this thing is massive. And it seems to be pretty heavy too, so let's see. Gotta get it out of this box first. Alright, so yeah, this thing is definitely really big. Okay, let's pop off these tabs real quick. That way we can check out the A500. This air cooler has 4 copper heat pipes to draw heat away, and the fans have magnetic levitation bearings installed for superior cooling. The A500 even includes its own screwdriver. That's pretty handy to ease the installation process. So this air cooler includes pre-applied XTM50 high performance thermal paste. It'll be interesting to see how this pattern that they have it pre-applied as will perform. I gotta say, this thing is so massive. It's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be this big, so I'm pretty excited to see how it'll perform in my PC. I wonder if it's even gonna fit though. This thing is massive. I don't. It's crazy, but it's pretty nice. Build quality seems pretty nice. It seems really nice. I like it. Only thing it's missing is some lighted fans. Alright, so moving back to the box. Looks like we got a little manual here. It's probably gonna have like instructions and all that good stuff, all the included parts and all that. Yeah, how to mount it onto your motherboard. It's got for both Intel and for AMD. That's pretty handy. Looks like we got some hardware. Looks like it's probably a Y splitter for the fans. That way you can hook them both up. Looks like we got some AMD, some spacers, probably, yeah, some AM3, AM4 spacers, some mounting brackets for AMD processors, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like it did come with an extra tube of the XTM50 right on. We got some stuff here for Intel processors, some standoffs, some mounting plates. Looks like a back plate as well in the bag. Nice, right on. Or in case I ever decide to put an Intel. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video right here. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for my install video and my performance test. Thanks for watching. Peace!